Hey guys, I'm showing you this Makayla Dehumidifier. So this is a humidifier with screen, small humidifier with auto shut off and 7 color lights. Ultra quiet that you can see. So this is the manual that describe everything, and the process comes in two colors, white and black. So here the humidifier, this is really nice build one. First impression is nice with this cable, solid cable. And these are the controls. This is the protective covering. I will remove it later on. So you can see the quality and the design is really nice. This is the back for the air that you can clean the filters, and this is for the water takeout. Once the water is collected, you can just empty with that hook that I took, the white one. Yeah, this one. You can just take out this plug and empty the water. I'm just removing this protective covering, and I will start and show you this dehumidifier. So you can see the light start on, and then I will turn it on. It start working, no noise, no sound, nothing, and then it's really quiet. You can adjust the temperature, or degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit with a long press. Also the timer, on other thing. So this is the night lamp, night light as well. As you can see, the color changing down there. So from here it is much more clear from the back, and yeah, it's pretty straightforward, easy operation. Three levels like comfort, dry, or normal, and that you can see easily. With the night light you can control your on and off, and this is the night light. It's basically a nice thing, and with the color night light you use really good. And once the water is collected, you can easily take out the water and see the things as I mentioned. So see, it start collecting in the water from the room.